Weekdays you have to do that, alright? But not on the weekend. You put it to them together and do one drug together. Alright?
How you doing? Randford from Bambrook to Newark?
Bambrook to Newark. Around here, let's see, you know, man. Round trip?
Yes, sir.
$18.
There you go. Thanks. Alrighty, thanks.
The next station is Netherwood.
Have to have recording, right? No ifs, ands, or buts, or you get okay, so we are required to have that card. Alright? And then you look like the rest of the people and I don't know anything different. Alright? Have to have it. How we doing, folks? Come back to work. You both on the same ticket, is that right?
Yeah.
11 will be
It's 11 together.
This station stop is Netherwood.
Used to. What's it both of you, right? One second.
Yeah. Did you take your massage?
Oh, yeah. I kind of cool, but it's busy, so I'll walk around and come back. I hate working all day.
Girl, just got on the train right now. ¿Qué? Oh my God, mira, Dios mío. Ever again, if you put la casa de nadie. Tengo los pelos. Yeah. Yeah. And the lungs, you know, it feels like I'm freaking 18-wheelers on my back, on my lungs. And I took the nebulizer, just did something like for about a half an hour, and that's all it worked. Tengo pelo en esta ropa, lo voy a dejar con todas las bolsas y la saco cuando la voy a lavar. Oh my God. Oh, and I told and I left empty food. All the food that I bought, I left them with it.
The next station is fanwood, scotch, plain.
No, she coming tomorrow
Normally
afternoon.
track one, but just don't run to track one.
And I said, well, they're going to have a tremendous party tonight. They're going to make up. And it's not no walk too much. It's Tiffany. It's Tiffany. Tiffany needs to go up a little. I don't know what's going to become of my daughter, Lenny's daughter, and the lawn is very immature. Very Exactly.
This station stop is fanwood Scotch
We
plank.
went to Supremo. I had to take me like 20,000 times still. I don't know what's going on. You know? It's embarrassing. It looked like Eliza was going to call me to ask me to stay with the baby because she was supposed to buy everything today for his birthday. And she called me, she goes, Mom, and I was like, what do you want? So she goes, you know what? Forget it.